In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the favicon in Squarespace, also known as the browser icon. The favicon appears in the Browser tab next to your site's title. By default, Squarespace sets it as a black cube. To change it, first open your Squarespace site, then scroll down on the left-hand menu of your screen and click the gear icon to open the settings. Once in the settings, scroll down and locate the favicon option. Click on it and you will have the option to add a favicon. Click on Upload File, then browse your computer for your desired favicon. After selecting the file, click Open and it will be uploaded to your site. You can also click Edit on your favicon to adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Once you've made your adjustments, click Save in the top left corner, then click Save again to confirm. Squarespace also gives you the option to upload a separate favicon for dark mode. This favicon will be shown when users access your site in dark mode. After completing all these steps, click Save at the top right corner, then close the menu. Initially, you might still see the default black cube as your favicon. To update it, simply refresh your website and you'll see your new favicon in the Browser tab. And this is how you can change the favicon in Squarespace.